Hello, welcome back to Win CompXM 2024-2025 Top 10 Winning Tips. This video gives the details and step-by-step guide for round 4 to win the top result. I show you now. So in the round 4, it's quite simple. We have 8 products. We just keep update the product. You can check the video of round 1, 2, 3, and especially round 1 to see the how to get this number in the from the industry condition report here. And you can download the free Excel file like this to calculate R&D for 4 rounds, right? So it's quite simple now because we have data 1, 2, and 3 with the right strategy. And remember, do not copy the number. I say again and again, 10 and 20 times, 100 times that you don't copy the number. Do not ever copy the number. You can use the strategy I show you, but the number from game may be different from student to student because it is exam, right? So I show you the strategy, you know, the overview, and then you can adjust, customize, which okay. For the price, we just reduce 50 cents each round, right? 50 cents each round. And for promotion and sale, you use 2,000. Some production has reached 100% customer awareness, so we can reduce by 1,400. And the sale forecast always the most important. You check from here, go to your report here, bid 4, and then you get the number of unit we sold from last round. You will see that right now. Unit we sold last round here, unit we sold. And inventories, right? Unit we sold in inventory. Then we can use the Excel file to calculate that for round 4. I show you at time more. So the Excel file here, you can use this part here. Unit we sold, inventory, and copy here the demand forecast, the segment growth, and then you get the sales forecast here and production by deduction forecast. Deduct inventory, you get the production schedule. So you put that into the game here. And then for production. Now it is simple, just keep going, right? So for sale forecast here and inventories here, we get the production plan here. And then round 8, round 4, we don't have to update automation, enough optimal and ready, and enough capacity. HR, human resource, we skip 5,000 for recruitment, 8 hours for training, so we get the best workforce here. For the finance, we have $5 for the dividends and pay back the long-term debts. Now we get a lot of cash here. Make sure we avoid emergency loans. And you can see that for the TQM, we can continue use 1,000 for each TQM, total quality management initiative. You can adjust a little bit around 1,000, if you like. The performance income here, you see that round 3. We get this for round 4, and you can check the result of round 3. We also have very high sales and profit here, much higher than own competitor, 35 million for profit, much higher than competitor. You see that, so the stock price going up here very fast. We on the top. We invest in round 1, round 2, round 3 here, and round 4 win up to here 150, right? And now you see the sales, it's very high sales, 408, much increase, and also you see the profit 85 million. So that's the overview of the decision for round 4. If you have any questions, send the email to mbacim.ferris@gmail.com or check the other video for round 1, 2, 3, and the other video for tip 1, tip 2, tip 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Top 10 winning tips of CompXM can apply for all the 4 rounds, right? In the other video, right? Remember the strategy will have good sale and profit in round 1, 2, but will go up especially strong in round 3 and 4. Round 3 and 4, like you see on the screen, and get around 90 to 95% of the total mark, right? If you have any question, just send the email to this email, right? mbacim.ferris@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.